Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital banking to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from EcoBank to an Opay account in 2025. With the rapid advancements in fintech, transferring funds has never been smoother or more secure. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending money to family, this guide will get you through it in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest EcoBank app installed on your smartphone. In 2025, EcoBank has upgraded its interface for even faster transactions, so updates are key. Open the app and log in using your secure credentials, like your fingerprint or facial recognition for that extra layer of protection. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfers section. It's usually front and center on the home screen. Here, you'll see options for various banks. Select Opay from the list of supported banks. If Opay isn't there, don't worry. Just hit the Add Beneficiary button and enter the recipient's Opay account details, like their account number and name. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. EcoBank now features real-time currency conversion if needed, which is super handy for international sends. You'll also see any applicable fees up front. Transparency is big in 2025 banking. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your PIN or biometric verification. After that, keep an eye on your Opay app. The funds should reflect almost instantly, thanks to the seamless integration between banks. If there's any delay, check your transaction history in EcoBank for status updates. And just like that, you're done. Remember, always transfer to verified accounts to stay safe from scams. If you run into any issues, EcoBank's 24/7 chat support is a lifesaver. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more banking tips. What's your go-to money app? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.